This dance is called Changed Everything. It's a 64 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting on the right foot, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Cha-cha-cha, 3 steps in place, right, left, right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, shuffle half a turn over your left shoulder, quarter close, quarter. That set of steps once more then, forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, half shuffle. Similar set of steps now, so you can rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, cha-cha-cha, 3 steps in place, right, left, right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. This time you're going to chasse to the left, but put a quarter turn on to start with. Turn, chasse. That set of steps once more then, forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, turn, chasse. Let's add those 2 sections together. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, half shuffle. Forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, turn, chasse. Now some of you might actually find doing that half shuffle turn followed by that quarter shuffle. I know that they're the ends of each of the sections, but given the speed of the music, you might find it's a little bit too much. Should that be the case, what you can actually do, rock forward, recover, cha-cha-cha, rock forward, recover. Instead of doing that half shuffle, just shuffle back on the left. Then rock back on the right, recover, cha-cha-cha, rock back on the left, recover. Then put on that quarter chasse, you're going to do a quarter turn to the right, turn, chasse. So it will take out that 3/4 turn combo in those 2 sections, should you need to take that out. So add on a little weave, right foot leading, cross side behind. Make quarter turn left as you step that left forward. Into a chase half turn, step forward on the right, pivot half turn left, step forward on the right, scuff the left. That set of steps once more then, weave into the left, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, scuff. So add that to the top. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, half shuffle. Forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, turn, chasse. Cross side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, scuff. Weave to the right, that left is in the scuff position, so you cross left over, right to the side, cross the left behind. Quarter turn right as you step forward on that right. Step forward on the left, pivot quarter turn right, cross shuffle, left over right, cross shuffle. That set of steps once more then, weaving off on the left. 7, 8, cross side behind, turn, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, half shuffle. Forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, turn, chasse. Cross side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, scuff. Cross side behind, turn, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Now in that third section, you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 of a turn. So you can do that weave quarter turn into that chase half turn. It's 3/4 of a turn. Now normally I'd give you some steps to take that out and turn it into a quarter turn in the opposite direction. However, when you add on the following section, you have a half a turn in that section going in the opposite direction. So if you turn that 3/4 into a quarter, you add that quarter to the half, you get another 3/4 of a turn. So should you need to eliminate any of those turns in those last two sections, there is something you can do. So you will weave the same as everybody else, cross, side, behind. Quarter turn left, same as everybody else. So you should now be facing the front wall. This is where it changes. So rather than doing your chase half turn, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step back on the left, scuff that left back. You now need to travel to the left in the same direction as everybody else, so rather than weaving, you're going to do a vine. So you'll step the left to the side, cross the right behind, step the left to the side. Then cross the right over, rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, pick up with everybody else doing your cross shuffle. So just do those non-turning steps just once more for you. So you can start off the same as everybody else, weaving to the right, right foot leads. So it's cross, side, behind, quarter turn, forward rock, back scuff backwards, into a vine, side, behind, side, cross, side rock, catch up with everybody else, cross shuffle. So non-turning steps, should you need to alter anything in those last two sections. So that's the first half of the dance. Half back rumba box. So you step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right back, hold. Left to the side, right beside left, shuffle forward on the left. That set of steps once more then, that half back rumba off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, hold, side, close, left, shuffle. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself, half a turn to the left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself, another half a turn to the left. So double step, pivot, half. Into a mambo half, so you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, half a turn right, so you step that right forward, then step forward on the left. That set of steps once more then, double step, pivot, half off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, step, pivot, mambo, half, step. So once again we've got the equivalent of a full turn with that double step, pivot, half. Should you need to try and take that out, just replace it with a rocking chair. So you rock forward on the right, recover, rock back on the right, recover, then add on your mambo, half step. So non-turning steps, should you need them. So add that to the halfway point. Half back rumba off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, hold, side, close, left, shuffle, step, pivot, mambo, half, step. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself, quarter turn to the left. Cross shuffle, right over left, rock to the side on the left, recover on the right into a little weave, behind, side, cross. Now that set of steps once more then, step, pivot, cross, shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross. Add that to our halfway point, half back rumba off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, hold, side, close, left, shuffle, step, pivot, mambo, half, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn left, then add on a full turn over 2 steps. So half a turn left, you step back on the right, half a turn left, you step forward on the left. That set of steps once more then, side rock, back rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, back by virtue of its name, you have got a full turn right at the end there. Should you wish to take that out, just walk forward 2 steps, right, left, and then you're ready to start the dance again. Now I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're doing the walkthrough. I'll actually be doing the non-turning walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. So let's add that to our halfway point. Half back rumba off on the right. 7, 8, side close back, side close left shuffle, step, pivot, mambo, half step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, back rock, step, pivot, full turn. That's your 2 halves, let's add them together. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, turn shuffle, chasse, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, scuff, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, close, back, hold, side, close, left shuffle, step, pivot, mambo, half step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, back rock, step, pivot, full turn. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully you get a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, scuff, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, close, back, hold, side, close, left, shuffle, step, pivot, mambo, half step, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, rock, back, rock, step, pivot, full turn, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, scuff, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, close, back, hold, side, close, left, shuffle, step, pivot, mambo, half step, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, back rock, step, pivot, full turn, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, scuff, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, close, back, side, close, left, shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot, mambo, half step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, back rock, step, pivot, full turn. And that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. 5, 6, 7, 8, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, turn shuffle, cross side behind, turn, step, baby, step, cross side behind, turn, step, baby, cross shuffle, side, close, back, side, close, left shuffle, step, baby, step, baby, one, baby, half step, step, baby, cross shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, rock, back, rock, step, baby, full turn, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, cross side behind, turn, step, baby, step, cross side behind, turn, step, baby, cross shuffle, side, close, back, side, close, left shuffle, step, baby, step, baby, mind, right, cross, step, baby, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, back, rock, step, baby, forward, turn, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, turn, side, cross, side, behind, turn, step, baby, step, step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, baby, cross, shuffle, side, close, back, side, close, left shuffle, step, baby, step, mambo, half step, step, baby, cross shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, rock, back, rock, step, baby, front, turn, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, side, behind, turn, step, baby, step, step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, baby, side, close, back, side, close, left shuffle, step, baby, step, cross, behind, half step, step, baby, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, step, baby, forward, turn, forward rock, weave, weave, remember,
it's too little, too late
it
to
is,
do. But if I ever find somebody
it is,
new, girl, I'll owe it all to
side rock,
you. 'Cause baby, I
forward rock,
changed for the better, got my shit together
forward rock,
like you always wanted me to.
weave,
I'm a little less screw up, a little more grew up since I messed it up with you.
remember,
Can't take back your last goodbye.
Edit.
God Lord knows I tried. 'Cause baby, I
Edit.
changed everything. But
Side rock, forward rock, forward rock, weave. Hope you managed that one.